Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing what palm oil contributes: texture, stability, and flavor. Start with a quick test. Heat a small amount to the temperature specified because palm oil's high smoke point matters for frying. Once done, match the function. Choose a neutral oil for high heat or a saturated vegetable oil for spreadable texture. Make sure to note any flavor differences. You want similar mouthfeel, not identical aroma, so pick the closest vegetable oil by performance and taste. Next, choose the replacement and adjust the recipe. For frying, use canola or sunflower because of neutral taste and high smoke point. For spreads, use a blended vegetable oil with some solid fat or add 1/4 cup of coconut oil to mimic solidity. Once you swap, reduce liquids slightly if the substitute is more fluid. Try an initial 75% substitution. This gives you a safety margin. If texture and flavor match, scale to full replacement while noting any changes for future batches. Finally, finish and evaluate. Cool the product, then test taste, texture, and melting behavior. If things go wrong, for example, the item is too soft or oily, add an emulsifier or reduce the liquid oil by 10 to 20% or reintroduce a small amount of solid fat. Once satisfied, document the exact ratio and storage method so you can reproduce results. One key troubleshooting tip: if rancidity appears sooner, lower storage temperature and add antioxidant like vitamin E.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.